Favorite, pambansang chichirya. 45 minutes na lang, guys! Excited ka na bumaba? Ay, wala naman ang ginawa. Baby naman, yan na naman. Naloloko talaga ako, B. Super liblib talaga niya. Talagang itatago ka, like super.
Grabe guys, super nakakasilaw talaga siya. Kapag ginalawa.
Tangina.
Yeah, ganun talaga.
We're here, guys! Taray. Taray, nakaasa ko ng binyag agad.
Lamig naman.
Oh my God, guys! Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Let's go. Uy, tangina, iba yung sinisindihan mo. Ba't tumitira ka na ng katol, men?
You guys don't know, man. It's different out here in Canada. The additives they put in these things, man.
Yan ah.
Oh. Bagong trip na.
Wallet.
Bigay ng 5,000 pesos walang pangalan.
Ulo. What the fuck you clapping there, bro? Oh shit, oh shit. Guys, we're killing lamok.
We'll fight back, man. We're back.
5,000 pesos ha.
So fucking good, guys.
Done.
Warang!
Come, bilisan mo. Hey. Ay, sorry. sorry. Kasi favorite game mo ata yan, B. Parang kabisado mo na lahat ng words dyan eh.
Hindi naman.
He knows
I
all the
know.
excited say. That's what he really practiced for.
Kaya pala yun.
O kaya pala yan yung nirecommend mo ha. Basang-basa na kita.
Hindi
Uy, wow. Indeniability. Wow.
Do you know that she's sensitivities?
No, sir.
Fuck.
Does anyone have cavity? Ay, bakit Kurt Gumpy kayo agad ni Kuya Ian?
Kami, Ian,
Ayaw mo
kami,
ba
Ian.
kakampi si X?
Okay, kami next then.
Don't even do that.
Okay, kami next then.
Don't-
Silam, baboy, manok,
Hindi.
baboy, minudo, apritada.
Hindi.
Okay na ano pwede baboy, baka, kambing.
Kare-kare.
Fuck.
If you guys
Disclaimer, hindi to para sa lahat. Kung sensitibo ka, huwag ka manood. Bye.
just read.
Minikaniko ni Monica, makina na Monica ni Monica.
Yes.
Oh my God! Minikaniko ni Monico ang makina ng manika ni Monica.
Mekaniko ni Monico ang makina ni Monica.
Ay, iba yun.
That's a short version. That's a short
Iba rin
version.
yung meaning.
Minikaniko ni Monico makina.
What's my secret power? Casually suggesting a threesome. Ito matindi. Selling craft to chill. Running out of semen. Isbeg ba?
In the new Disney Channel original movie, Hannah Montana struggles with what for the first time? Hannah Montana struggles with not reciprocating oral sex. For the first time. Hannah Montana struggles with whipping it out for the first time. Damn! Bro, what?
Ako, canceled ka na.
Hannah Montana struggles with agriculture. Montana struggles with an endless stream of diarrhea. Ang hirap naman nun. Struggle talaga yun. Yeah, I'll take the diarrhea.
Diarrhea. Nice. Nice.
Oh, that was you?
Let's go.
That was you?
Yo,
Good answer.
get your play shit like this and laugh about it. So while the United States raced the Soviet Union to the moon, the Mexican government funneled millions of pesos into research on brown people. Okay, the Mexican government funneled millions of pesos into research on a Mexican. The Mexican government funneled millions of pesos into research on the only gay person in 100 kilometers. The government funneled millions of pesos into research on the homosexual agenda. So, okay, saying the Mexican government funneled millions of pesos into research on, we're in Canada, into brown people, bro.
No way.
Yo.
If you like blank, you might be a redneck. If you like tiny horse, you might be a redneck. Uy! If you like my fat daughter. A redneck.
Warm.
If you like kamikaze pilots, ano yung kamikaze pilots?
Oh, shit. Sa
Pearl Harbor.
Pearl Harbor.
Oh shit, sumalangit na wa. Many bats. If you like many bats, you might be a redneck. Yung my fat daughter na lang.
Damn.
Sino yung fat daughter? Ano yung sa'yo, be?
What ended my last relationship? The milkman.
Okay.
Pwede.
Okay.
Danny DeVito.
Sino yun?
Gago. NBA superstar LeBron James. Aroy.
Wow.
Cards Against Humanity.
Oh, nice.
Shameless plug. Can you imagine that you fuck your whole relationship over cards? I think
Oh, you're saying if Nadine was here?
Yeah.
Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for a brain tumor.
Oh my god!
Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for a bitch slap.
that's our taxes, bro.
Okay. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for horse meat. Parang ano yun eh, commercial. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for pulling out the winner.
Damn, that's hard.
Sino yan?
Ako yan!
Shelly's on the street, bro. Never truly understood the Amish until I encountered poopy diapers.
Don't
Okay,
believe
so
in
if anything, this is just an educated answer, and I respect it as an academic. So
Yes.
10 points regardless.
Yes.
So being able to talk to elephants until I encountered a disappointing birthday party. Like a 3-year-old's dreams just being shattered in front of them. That animals aren't their friends. Never truly understood my ugly face and bad personality until I encountered free samples. Give me more! Hurry up!
That should have been until I went to Costco.
This is desperate. This is desperate entitlement.
Sinong pala yung nagtitinda ng samples?
And then
Balik-balik lang
Hindi
yun.
na nga eh. Ang galing.
one more cracker. I never truly understood Canadian Netflix until I encountered wizard music.
Excellent.
We're all musicians here. If there's a subgenre in which you're creating, by all means, please extend a hand to FCM. We would love to put you on our platform. Follow on Facebook. So
Bravo.
boom. Yo, free samples, my guy.
What are you doing?
Mga weak shit. Weak shit, weak shit, weak shit, weak shit. Jajari John. Good morning. Thank you po for the breakfast.
Come and get it.
We're gonna go kayaking. Yeah! Tulungan mo din ako mag-ano. I don't know how to do this. Huy! Ay, ganito pala ito guys. May pakita ko sa inyo. Ganun pala kailangan kami nagkakabit. Baka di na kami makabalik. Putang ina. Magiging katulad kita mamaya.
Lumalayo na, hindi na pwede doon.
The guy. Dito po ang cottage natin, B. Ang layo mo na. Ay!
Abang sa ano? Sa isda.
This is where we at.
Here.
We got the Captain Morgan, Spice and Ice.
Lutang clan, yo.
Even though it starts with an L,
I got Fruit Loops.
even though it starts with an L,
There's still around there, babe.
we still ended up with a W.
I know, right?
Come on.
Okay, sure, whatever. Okay, go.
Dito gusto ko dito. Lagyan mo dito.
Ay! So,
Anak ni Nadine.
lunch!
See nothing. He didn't see nothing.
What do you call that?
What?
What do you call this?
What?
Badminton.
Badminton.
Badminton. Minsan ang sarap talaga magpunta sa mga lugar kung saan tahimik, liblib, walang polusyon, malayo sa katotohanan. Kung pwede lang wag na bumalik di ba? Lalo na kapag kasama mo yung mga taong alam mong nandyan lang lagi para sa'yo. Hindi ko man kayo kadugo o kamag-anak, pero pamilya ko kayo. Iba-iba man tayo ng definisyon o pananaw sa salitang pamilya, sigurado akong parte kayo ng sa'kin. At kahit sang parte man ako ng mundo o ng Canada dalhin, hindi ko itatanggi yun. Kung pwede lang makita ng ibang tao kung gaano kabukas yung isipan nyo at kung gaano kabuti yung mga puso nyo, maintindihan nila kung saan ako nanggagaling. Pero di na para ipilit yun sa iba. Ang alam ko lang, mahimbing tayong natutulog sa gabi nang walang tinatapakan.